Hello, I'm Hayes.
Hello, I'm Hayes.
Okay, and I'm Dan, and this is Come to Japan, the channel that wants you to come to Japan. And I have a fun, very short video for you today. I made bubbles that bounce with two simple things. Well, three actually. Just regular soap I bought from a Japanese drugstore. This is just regular dishwashing soap. And this, my friends, this is glycerine. Glycerine. This is just for kind of when you have rashes or if you have kind of little cuts and stuff like that. You can use this, and then water. More bounces. All right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah. Here we go. Bounce it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I got 6 bounces out of that one. I got 6 bounces. Let's see if I can get a couple. So the hand soap obviously is just to make kind of the soapy solution that's going to make the bubbles, and the glycerin here, what this does is thickens. It thickens the bubbles so that they're more stronger and you can get bigger bubbles. And I think that's the reason why we can bounce it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah, I got 6. 6 seems to be the magic number. Ooh, 1, 2. Here you are. 3, 4. All right, so we're gonna try and get a little bit of a closer angle for you guys. Here you go, Hayes. You can bounce it too. Here you are. Okay, we're gonna bounce it. We're gonna bounce. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We got 11 and then it flew away. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12. Oh, look at that, look at that. Oh, it stopped on my arm. Go, Hayes, go, 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 go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, so you can see they're really sturdy bubbles. They're really, really sturdy bubbles, and they, you can get some good bounces. I'll not want you to do that, though. Here you go. Oh, oh. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks again, everybody. This is Come to Japan, the channel that wants you to come to Japan. My name is Dan. Please like, comment, and subscribe because that's the only way we're going to grow this channel, and we're going to bring someone to Japan for free. We're going to sponsor free trips to Japan through the community here that we create, yeah? Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Let's do more bubbles, okay? Yes, he wants to do more bubbles. Okay, everybody. Mata ne. Bye-bye.